And as we do that, I will request the Speaker of the National Assembly and the Speaker of the Senate to very briefly condole the family. Honorable Speakers, I invite you to condole with the family.
Your Excellency, sir. Askia, we can sit down in the meantime. Let's take our seats. Your Excellency, sir, First Lady, the Deputy President, and Mama Rachel, distinguished mourners, yangu ni kwa niaba ya bunge la Senate kusema pole sana kwa kupoteza mzee wetu. Na vile mnavyojua katika Senate tuko na so on behalf of the Senate, I just want to say pole. Tutakuwa na wewe pia, tumefanya na mzee na tunajua yale yote wamesema, tunaungana pamoja. Mungu ailaze roho yake mahali pema peponi. Asante sana.
Your Excellency, President of the Republic of Kenya, Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, First Lady, Excellency Deputy President, the family of the late Second President of the Republic of Kenya, I too, on behalf of the National Assembly, bring the condolences of the House and to wish that the family gets the necessary fortitude to bear this loss which we all bear. Thank you very much. God bless.